Assalamu alaikum students, this is Javed Zulfikar, your physics teacher for lecture 3, class 9th. In this lecture we will discuss the remaining branches of science, and the next topic, physical quantities. Okay students, so let's start our today's lecture. The first thing that we are going to discussing atomic physics. In atomic physics, it's a little bit also in chemistry. We will discuss the atoms, structure of atom, and how atom is formed. Inside atom, the size of atom also, also proton, neutron, and electron, and nucleus. These things also we included. How many electrons are revolving, how protons are there in nucleus, how neutrons are there. In some atom there is no neutron. So these things will be discussed. So atomic physics, it is the study of atoms basically, and their properties of atoms, like this. Okay, next is nuclear physics. Nuclear physics, it is a basic discussion of nuclei of an atom. How a nuclei of an atom, how atom is a neutral particle because of positive charge particle of nucleus. So, how many neutrons and protons are present in a nucleus of an atom? So, how atom is formed, how nucleus is formed inside an atom, how if we increase the number of electron, what is the effect of nuclei in an atom. So, like this, in nuclear physics we will discuss the study of nucleus of an atom. The next is plasma physics. Plasma is basically a liquid state of an atom. In plasma we will discuss the liquid, state of an atom. So how atom behave like this in a liquid state. The next is geophysics. Geo means earth, and physics mean it is a branch of physics that we will discuss the measurement of physics. Geophysics, the study of physics, the study of earth, measurement of earth, and there are different types of earth in different places of at the ground. So how these are, some earth is more nitrogen as compared to other some places on earth. So like this, the study of earth will be done in geophysics. So these are the discussion. The next is physical quantities. The next topic that we are going to starting is about physical quantities. The name of our chapter is also physical quantities. The quantities, all measurable quantities are called physical quantities. All measurable mean the quantities that we are measuring in our daily life, like length. We are measuring length in our daily life, mass, temperature, time, weight, like this. So these things are discussed. Distance also. So all measurable quantities. This is a simple. It's okay. All measurable quantities are called physical quantities. In physical quantities, there are basically two types of discussion will be done. One is its unit, and the other is numerical magnitude. Like this, if someone of you went to a shopkeeper, go to a shopkeeper and say to a shopkeeper that I want 2 sugar. What does it mean? Even that the shopkeeper will never understand. Even that your matter will also remain incomplete if you say that I want 2 sugars, I want 2 salt. So you need to say also unit. So 2 kg sugar, 2 kilogram sugar. So kilogram is a unit. You say that 2 kilogram, 2 gram even. Okay. So 2 ton. So these are the unit. So before unit, without unit, our matter will not clear. One thing more, if someone taking a measurement of anything, at the end he will say to, if he will say to us that I measured 3, the height of this wall is 3. So what after listening, what we are getting? Nothing. If he is not using unit, any unit, if he said to us the 3 meters of is a height, 3 foot of the height, like this, 3 feet, 3 meters, 3 any other like this. So unit will be used to complete our discussion. So in physical quantities, basically are these 2 units are in common basics, where to clear or complete our discussion. So the quantities, all measurable quantities are called physical quantities. So the example must be written sorry, like this, length, mass, time, temperature, etc. These are the examples, and after that we will write the unit. Basically at the same time we need to brief discussion. 2 things will be remain at the same time, numerical magnitude as well as unit. So numerical magnitude mean 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, how much quantity, and unit mean how much unit you are using. In measurement, length, mass, time, and in weight, kilogram, lb, I mean pound, or like other things. So these things will be discussed. At the end, I just want to summarize the lectures, the whole lecture. It is just about the basic definitions of unit 1, physical quantities and measurement. The first that we had discussed atomic physics, the branches of physics, the remaining in atomic physics we will discuss the atoms, we will discuss the study of atoms, how atom is made, how atom is formed, how it is discovered, who one discovered this. So inside atom, which particles are revolving around the nucleus, and how much these are. So like these the things, the nature, properties are being discussed in atomic physics. The next is here nuclear physics, and in nuclear physics we will study about the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, the effect of nucleus on revolving electron in an atom or element, and how many electrons in some nucleus there are no electrons, and how many protons. The how nucleus is called that a positive charge particle. So these things will be discussed in nuclear physics. The next is plasma physics. The liquid state of a matter is called plasma. So we will discuss these form. Ionic state of matter is called plasma physics. We will discuss the ionic state like volcanic. So these things we will be discussed in. In geophysics we will study about the earth, the nature of earth, the behavior of earth at different place. So like these things, geo mean earth, so that we will study the earth. Next is here physical quantities. In physical quantity, all measurable quantities are called physical quantity. For example, length, mass, time, temperature, like this. Physical quantities, these are the basic quantity that we are using. A carpenter, tailor, so many people's, even that's blacksmith also using. So at the end we will discuss that numerical magnitude and unit. Two things remain at the same time with physical quantities. One is numerical magnitude. Numerical magnitude is that the number of things that we are taking. Like if I gave you a brief example. If I say that I measured this marker, I measured this pen 3. So how you people understand what is 3? It will not be clear. Instead, if I will use its unit, it was centimeter, it was meter, it was inch, or any other thing, then it will be clear. 3 meter, 3 kilogram, 3 pound, like this. So hope so you people understand my this lecture. मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.